Meet Sparky and his family. Sparky knows it's his job to protect them and their home, which to him includes doing a regular check around the local area. He's very clever at applying science. To escape the yard, on one of his patrols, he learned some more science, but it hurt. He got an electric shock. So why did Sparky get a shock? There are 3 things we need to know. 1. Electricity will always find the easiest path to Earth. The Earth is like home to electricity, and it loves to get there the quickest way possible. 2. Our bodies, and Sparky's, will conduct electricity. This means that electricity will pass over and through it. That's because we're mostly made up of water. Yeah, we really are. 3. We have electricity already in our bodies. Tiny chemical signals in our nerves which control things like our movement. If much more powerful electricity, like that in our televisions and lights, gets into our bodies, it can hurt us badly. We have a great system for moving electricity around and getting it into our homes. Most of the time we're safe and protected from the dangers of it. The electricity we use in our homes comes through a giant circuit that we call the electricity network. It travels along wires that are high up overhead or buried underground, so they're safely out of the way. And in a few places, it can also be at ground level. In these cases, it's covered up or even fenced off. These are parts of the electricity network that we see all around us. Have you spotted any of these near where you live? The pillar that Sparky came across earlier is the cover for an underground electricity connection. This cover has been damaged by a car running into it, so now the wires carrying electricity are uncovered. So why did Sparky get a shock? When Sparky pees on the damaged pillar, which has exposed electricity wires running through it, the electricity finds a pathway up the stream of pee through his body and out into the ground, because it's an easy and quick path to Earth. As the electricity passed through his body, it multiplied his own body electricity and fired many nerves at once, shocking him and throwing him away from the pillar. It was painful and left him dazed and unsteady. It could have badly burned or even killed him. Electricity is high up and buried deep for a good reason, to keep it away from us. There's danger if there is damage. If you see damage to electrical equipment, stay 8 metres away and get a grown-up to call Western Power or emergency services straight away. There can also be danger if we get too close. Something caught in the lines, like a tree branch, can bring electricity closer to us. Sparky certainly doesn't want to come that close to electricity again, do you, Sparky? One more thing to look out for, Sparky. If you get a little shock, even just a tingle, from a tap around the house, make sure you tell your family. They need to let Western Power know straight away, because it might be a sign of hidden damage. You got all that, Sparky? Stay safe by keeping away from electrical supply equipment, and if you get a little shock from a tap, tell an adult. Great. Stay safe and enjoy your power.